How to use Truecaller to check number details and reverse lookup. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use Truecaller to check number details and reverse lookup. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Truecaller application on your device. Now, type the phone number you want to check in the search bar. If the number is in Truecaller's database, you will see the associated name, location, and other details if available. To perform a reverse lookup, go to the search bar, enter the phone number for the reverse lookup. Truecaller will display information about the number such as the name and spam score. If the number is identified as spam, you can report or block it directly from the results. By following these steps, you can easily check number details and do a reverse lookup with Truecaller. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.